It's been a while since you've been here. I don't know if you ever saw it in its original state, Fiona, when we got a hold of it, but it was nothing like this. It was like literally up to my height in ivy and rubble and debris, and it's all been cleared out.
Fantastic.
With a great support from the community and just working hard.
First things first, this map, Ordnance Survey, 1850s, pretty much what you see on the ground is what you've got there. And when we look at them in a little bit more detail, we'll perhaps get a sense of how much longer they've been there.
So all these things are really pretty easy to come by and no great high-tech thing, eh?
No, not in the least. The most high-tech thing we're going to use probably is a camera.
The white wool from black wool clothes.
Look, you've got the remains of roll moulding that would have actually gone around the doorway. That's going to make this 17th century probably, isn't it?
Yeah.
If it has been reused.
Yeah.
So we've got a real handle on the potential age of these buildings. We could put the width of the doorway in, mark that in. To write down 1887. So what we can do afterwards is work this drawing up to scale based on the measurements and the openings that you've indicated on it. So that's grand.
The thing with the plan is it's almost as if, imagine someone's come along and they've sliced the top off.
Taking the roof off and you're peering in.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not very straight line, is it?
That's alright, it's just the sketch, so you don't need to be too precious about it. To the back of your heel to the tip of your toe, that's a metre now.
Right.
So you can get approximate measurements just by pacing it out.
2, 3, 4, 5. What would be the next stage once these drawings were complete?
Apart from your own uses, of course, we'd like you to submit them to the National Record of Historic Environment.
All right, okay, that's pretty straightforward process.
Pretty straightforward. Scotland's Urban Past website, digital copy, upload it. Simple as that.
There for everybody to see.
In perpetuity.
Perfect.